All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to simplify fractions um, so that they get into the smallest form. Now, all simplifying fractions is finding an equivalent fraction or a fraction that's equal to it as low as it can go. Remember, if I said I'm eating half of a pizza, that's easier for me to understand than if I said I'm eating 4/8 of a pizza. It's the exact same amount of pizza. It's just easier for your brain to think about it in simplest forms. We like things to be simple. So when we are putting in our answers, we want it to be as simple as it can be. Now, the way that you do this on your cheat sheet is you flip it over to the back where it has the T-charts, and this is where we simplify our fractions, okay? Now, in this is just where you put it in. This helps you remember what you are simplifying. So our fraction that we're going to simplify on this example is 8/12. Now 8 and 12, if you don't know if it can be simplified, what do? Simplify anyway. It's just one step and it keeps you from getting it wrong every time. So you're going to put your numerator and your denominator over on the T-charts. And this is where you figure out your least common multiple, or what multiplies together. So we've got 1 times 8 is 8. What else times 8 is 8? So we can count by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 2 and 4, and that's all for our 8s. Okay, now we can do the 12s. 1 and 12, 2 and 6, because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And then we've got 3, 3, 6, 9, 12 times 4. Okay? After you find all of your multiples, you have to circle the ones that they have in common. So every time, everything's going to have one in common. Remember, if they only have one, that's as low as it can go. If they only have one, this would not simplify any further. But this one has 8/12 has more because they have 2 and 2 in common, and they have 4 and 4 in common. So I said least common multiple a minute ago. It's really greatest common factor. Your greatest common factor is going to be 4 because that's the biggest number that both of them match. Okay, so now you're going to move down your 8/12 here, and you're going to take your greatest common factor and you're going to divide it by 4. Divide it by your greatest common factor. Okay, do you have to do this in your head? Do you have to get your calculator out? No, you can do 8 divided by 4 because you've already done the work. So we've got 2 and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So our greatest common factor is 2/3. Sorry about that.